अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं हूँ आपका मेज़बान सरदार ज़हूर अहमद लुटन बरतानिया से और आप देख रहे हैं गौसिया टीवी। आज मैं इस वक्त लुटन में वोडन पार्क में मौजूद हूँ, जहाँ पे रंगारंग मेला सजाया गया है। लोकल कम्युनिटी ने भरपूर शिरकत की है और पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी ने भी मेले की रौनकों से खूब लुत्फ़ उठाया। यहाँ सिक्योरिटी के भरपूर इंतजाम किए गए हैं। आइए देखते हैं इस रिपोर्ट में।
So this weekend, as you can see, Luton welcomes its Mela on the 4th and 5th of August 2018. This is a fantastic event organised by members of our local community. We're going to have thousands of people down in Wardown Park. As you can see, Bedfordshire Police are here. We're going to be raising awareness in relation to crime prevention, speaking about our ongoing recruitment campaign, and obviously we've got some uniform for the kids to try on whilst the adults are being engaged by some of our officers. If you are free this weekend, if you've got any time available, pop down, see what's going on. It's a fantastic atmosphere. Certainly the officers are enjoying it so far, and fingers crossed it'll be a fantastic weekend. We've certainly got the weather for it.
Thank you very much.
Come on down to Wardown Park this afternoon. It's absolutely fantastic atmosphere, great food, wonderful music. The communities are all coming together, so come and join us.
To everyone, today as you can see it's the Mela, and it's one of the really great opportunities for people to come out and enjoy themselves with their families. It's an excellent day where you have lots of stalls, we have live music, we have a lot of dignitaries that come to these events, and it brings the communities together. There's so many, we as in Luton are such a diverse town. We have 120 languages that are spoken, and you can tell from there that how diverse we are as a town, so we're super diverse. And I would encourage everyone to come to the Mela. Today's the last day of the Mela. It started yesterday on Saturday, today's Sunday, late evening it should be finishing. Come and enjoy yourselves and have a lovely time here. Thank you very much.
ये यहाँ लोग आ रहे हैं, तो ये इसका सारा क्रेडिट ये मेला ऑर्गेनाइज करने वालों को जाता है कि इसके खासकर बड़े हेड जुल्फ़कार साहब हैं। तो मैं उनको यहाँ खराज तहसीन पेश करता हूँ कि उन्होंने ये से अपनी मेहनत से इस मेले को एक कामयाब इवेंट के तौर पर मुतारफ़ कराया है, और इसको अवार्ड भी बेस्ट मेला होने का मिल चुका हुआ है। और मैं समझता हूँ कि ये एहलियान लुटन के लिए ये किसी नियामत से कम नहीं है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
My name is Anisa Kiani. I'm creative head for Barnford College. I'm here representing Barnford College. Barnford College is the main stage sponsor for Luton Mela. We feel very proud to support this event because it brings the whole community out here. It's lovely to see such amazing weather. There's so much to do here. There's so much amazing food, so much amazing clothes. It's really nice to see families to come out together. And it's just a great place to be for everyone to come out and enjoy themselves. Each year the Luton Mela gets bigger and better. Great to see the Luton Mayor out here today to showing her support, and it's really nice to see all the local community supporting this event. We need a lot more positive support like this within our town, and a lot more positive events like this to happen to showcase all the brilliant stuff that happens in Luton.
Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. I have come from Manchester to attend Luton Mela. I'm really surprised that how diverse communities are here in this Mela. I tend to meet many celebrities, many people around, very lovely people, and we are promoting Pakistani culture here, Pakistani singers here, and I work for Human Rights Federation and deputy chair of an organization for Overseas Pakistan Solidarity. Work for Kashmir Determination Movement as well. So very nice to see here, and I think people, these type of more events should be happening here, so people come and meet each other.
Thank you very much.
We are Macmillan, and we're here today to do cancer awareness because there's a low uptake of awareness and screening among the BME communities. Also, we offer support to people affected by cancer, and they can come in and have a one-to-one chat with us. We'll provide information and support to them. So, you know, people are very welcome to come and speak. We have special listeners on hand if they have any specific question to ask, or we can signpost them to our helpline.
Hello, Vinod Taylor here, Deputy Lieutenant Bedfordshire and the past High Sheriff. Just to say that this is a lovely occasion. I was here last year as the High Sheriff as well. It was a fantastic community gathering. The Luton Mela brings everybody together. It's a great time. We've been very fortunate with the weather as well. And the big important part is that it brings in such a diversity which truly represents what Luton is. We have 147 languages spoken every day in Luton, and Luton Mela represents the community as a whole, Luton town as a whole, and it's just amazing. And the weather is fantastic, and everything is, and everybody's loving it. So that's great. Thank you.
लूटन मेला जो हर साल हम यहाँ लूटन में मुनक़्क़द करते हैं वोडन पार्क में, ये हमारी कम्युनिटी के लिए एक इंतहाई खुशाइंद जो इवेंट होता है हर साल, और इसमें तमाम जो हमारी कम्युनिटीज़ हैं बिला तफरीक जो अक्रॉस द बोर्ड जो कम्युनिटीज़ यहाँ शिरकत करती हैं, इसमें ना सिर्फ हमारे जो लोकल वॉलंटियर्स हैं, जिन चेयरमैन जो लूटन मेला हैं जुल्फ़िकार अहमद साहब, वो बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, उनके साथ जो वॉलंटियर्स हैं वो बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, और इसके साथ साथ जो हमारे पार्टनर्स हैं इसमें लंदन लूटन बारो काउंसिल और लंदन लूटन एयरपोर्ट, उनका भी यहाँ इश्तराक होता है। इस हवाले से मैं ये कहूँगा कि ये मेला ना सिर्फ लूटन के लोगों के लिए है, बल्कि ये ऑल ओवर यूके और इंटरनेशनल मेला है, जहाँ तमाम लोगों की नुमाइंदगी होती है।
आज देख रहे हैं कि मेला अपनी फुल फॉर्म और कैपेसिटी में दोबारा ऑपरेट कर रहा है। ये हमारा एक एनुअल इवेंट होता है जो हमारे ज़ुल्फ़िकार भाई हैं, इन्होंने ओवर द ईयर्स बड़ी मेहनत और मशक्क़त की है, और ये हमारी इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्रेमवर्क स्ट्रेटजी का एक हिस्सा भी है। हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि अपनी कम्युनिटी को एक मौका फ्राहम करें जहाँ के वो अपनी फैमिलीज़ के साथ आएँ, यहाँ पे मौज मस्ती करें। और ये जो मेला है अब वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट इवेंट इन यूरोप हो चुका है, और हमारी दुआ है कि ये मज़ीद दिन दुगनी और रात चुगनी तरक्की करे, और हमारी उम्मीद है कि, और हमारी कोशिश भी है कि इसको और मज़ीद बेहतर करेंगे, ताकि पूरी दुनिया से लोग यहाँ लूटन आकर लूटन की शान और शौकत और यहाँ का जो कल्चर है उससे वो फ़ायदा उठाए।
Hey, my name is Mr. Pakistan. I'm here at Luton Mela today. I've got a stall for Imran Khan Cancer Appeal, and come down, enjoy the Mela. It's a fantastic atmosphere. Have a look at what we have to offer. Donate some money, take some leaflets away.
Hello, I'm Amy, the creative producer of Luton Mela. We're very excited to be running our full weekend of South Asian culture here at Wardown Park in Luton, running from 12 till 9 p.m. Please come along with all your family and friends. Thank you.
Great. Hi, so my name's Jill Peck and I'm here from Signpost, where I'm a service manager for community partnerships. Today at the Mela we've got 13 volunteers and yesterday we had 16. It's so wonderful to be here in the beautiful sunshine with the wonderful atmosphere and seeing the wonderful people of Luton coming together. We are having such a wonderful day helping marshal at this brilliant event. So thank you to the Mela team for inviting us to take part, and it's great to be here.
My name is Javeria, I'm the ambassador for Luton Mela. Luton Mela has been taking place in tiny Luton for the past 18 years. The idea is to promote community cohesion through a celebration of culture, arts and sports, and as you can see today we have a lot of people from various backgrounds, from various ethnicities taking part and coming together and celebrating one another in harmony, in unity and in love, and we really hope that this is the start of obviously something special and it continues.
ये जो लूटन मेला है ये हर साल बड़े जोश और खरोश से मनाया जाता है, और ये मैं पूरी लूटन मेला की जो इंतज़ामिया है, जो ऑर्गेनाइज़र हैं लूटन मेला के, उन सब को मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ कि ये एक इतना अच्छा इवेंट यहाँ अरेंज करते हैं।
असा गोसिया टीवी ना बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं इतना कि असा की कवरेज देने पे, असा चाहते हैं कि एक दिन असा आज़ाद कश्मीर में भी होता है मेला करिए। इतना ये है कि 18 साल हो गए ये मेला चलना है। मैं इसकी फाउंड किया सी दूसरे साथियों नाल, आज यूके वन ऑफ द टॉप मेलाज हैं।
अपने मेजबान सरदार जहूर अहमद को वोडन पार्क लूटन से इजाजत दें। देखते रहिए गोसिया टीवी। अल्लाह हाफिज।